The 2025 BMW M4 is a masterpiece of engineering, blending high performance with cutting-edge technology and refined luxury. This latest iteration of BMW's iconic M4 continues to push boundaries, offering a thrilling driving experience that caters to enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. With its aggressive design, enhanced aerodynamics, and improved powertrain, the 2025 M4 remains a top contender in the high-performance coupe segment. Under the hood, the 2025 M4 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, producing up to 523 horsepower in the competition variant. This power allows the M4 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. The power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission, with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system available for superior traction and control. For purists, a 6-speed manual transmission is still an option in the base model, ensuring that the classic driving experience is preserved. BMW has fine-tuned the chassis and suspension of the 2025 M4 to provide a perfect balance between comfort and precision. The adaptive M suspension system continuously adjusts to road conditions, offering an engaging yet smooth ride. The electronically controlled limited-slip differential ensures maximum grip, allowing the driver to push the car to its limits with confidence. The steering response has been refined, making the car feel more connected to the road than ever before. The exterior design of the 2025 M4 is unmistakably aggressive, featuring a bold front grille, sculpted body lines, and an aerodynamic profile. The signature kidney grille has been slightly redesigned, giving it a more refined look while maintaining its distinctive presence. New LED headlights with laser technology provide enhanced visibility, and the rear end features sleek OLED taillights, a carbon fiber diffuser, and quad exhaust tips that emit a deep, powerful sound. Inside the cabin, the M4 exudes luxury and sportiness. The driver-focused cockpit is equipped with the latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, featuring a large curved display that integrates both the digital instrument cluster and the touchscreen interface. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The seats are wrapped in premium merino leather with M-specific stitching, offering both comfort and support during spirited drives.